Today we have a 2019 BMW X5. The complaint is emergency call malfunction warning on dash. Here we are in the vehicle. You can see there's an emergency call malfunction on the dash as well as on the CID. We're going to be using our Phoenix Elite to carry out a fault system scan. We do have a battery maintainer hooked up to this vehicle, as that is important to maintain that battery voltage during diagnostic sessions. I'm going to go scan. That is our correct VIN of the vehicle that we have today. Go ahead and do a smart scan. Go ahead and create our report. As you can see there, we have that emergency battery hardware faulty stored in our TCB. We are going to provide an estimate for that customer to replace that TCB battery. Here we are at the vehicle. That TCB battery is located under the headliner here in the rear of the vehicle, directly under that shark fin. We are going to provide an estimate to the customer, and then we will pick it back up when we get that approved. Customer did approve replacement of that battery. The battery that we removed from the vehicle was a 2019. I will attach pictures of that. So now we're going to go ahead and do a DCC clear. Now that those faults have cleared out, we're going to go ahead and rerun our smart scan. And as you can see in that Telematics module now, we have no more faults. We'll go check the status of that battery. to be unable to get to that data, but as you can see, the fault's cleared. There's no more warning in the vehicle and it will be released to the customer. That is a emergency call malfunction diagnosis using the Topdon Phoenix Elite, and repair and fault clearing afterwards. Thank you.